quickly touch base on the three main products that MIL is focusing on. For ModuleWorks, we signed or we extended our partnership early this year, early in 2024. And with that, we have the exclusive sales rights on the Apps Pro and also the machining wizard. So the machining wizard helps with the toolpath calculation before it happens. It calculates a table with optimal cutting values, different set of cutting values for different kind of side step, a down step, and so on and so forth. And that basic helps us for the toolpath calculation, while the Apps Pro is a step after the toolpath has been generated to further optimize the feeds.
Correct.
I think we're lucky then having that technology soon available. Yavuz, can you be a bit more specific when this will be available?
The good news is that immediately the technology NPro, which is the integration into NX, is available. And also the Apps Pro engine is now there and available for everybody who wants to take a look and integrate this. And the full integration of ModuleWorks technology of new toolpaths with the machining wizard, with all Apps Pro and other products will be hopefully available at the end of the year as a complete package. I think one challenge for us is the last 20 years we spent a lot of time and energy to make a very sophisticated technology, 5-axis continuous machining, something people can use. Let's make this something which is affordable, accessible, and usable. And now with this process-based technologies, the process engine from MIL, we hope that we can do the same. We can take this very complex and sophisticated technology, hundreds of publications, a lot of PhDs on this topic. Yusuf orchestrating the worldwide expert on this field. He trained most of them by himself. Now taking this technology, make the sophisticated technology affordable, accessible, and usable to a larger audience of CAM users. So that's our vision, and I think it's the right timing, it's the right partnership, and let's see how it goes.